Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it looks so special. So we're gonna be making some beef jerky. Yes, I'll be showing you guys how to make this simple but delicious beef jerky. These are very expensive when you go to the store to buy the already made, but I can show you guys how you can make this tasting amazing. Yeah, it tastes so amazing. You can do this at the comfort of your home for little money. Yes, just very tiny little amount of money. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you for coming, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. So guys, I'll go ahead and introduce the ingredients to you guys. So what I'm adding in that bottle right now, so I'm just adding you can be as generous as you want. So I'm just adding the curcumin soy sauce, and this one I'm adding the teriyaki sauce. So like I said, it depending on how much beef you'll be making, you can add as little as you want or as much as you need, depending on the amount of beef you have. So this is my dark soy sauce. Yes, you can also use any kind of soy sauce you have available. And I'm adding some hot sauce. Yes, I love it when it's very spicy. So guys, please try not to add any additional salt, because all the soy sauce contain a lot of salt in it already. So to that, I added another extra crushed red pepper. Yes, that's how spicy I really want it to be. So I'm adding some minced garlic. Then after that, I'll be adding some paprika. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit. And a little bit of parsley. So you can add whatever favorite seasoning of your choice for this. You remember, we all have a different taste bud. So what that tastes amazing to me might not taste the same. So I advise that you use your own seasoning, your own soy sauce, whatever that you feel more comfortable using. So I kind of use paper towel to make sure I hold that tight to shake it up, because I don't want it to spill all over the place. So after shaking everything up together, they are ready to go. So I just want to give it a quick clean. So after cleaning that up, I set it aside, and here is my bowl and my cow meat. So I already washed them like a few minutes ago, and I put them in the strainer to make sure I get any excess water out of it. So this is the meat. I'm using quite a large amount, not too big though, but it's big enough. So I already cut that up to my preferred size. Look at that. So look at the thickness. It's not that big. The thickness is not that large. So because the bigger it is, then the longer it will take to dry. So I went ahead and pour in my soy sauce and my seasonings mixture inside the meat, and mix that up very well until it's well combined together. So guys, like I said before, try not to add any extra salt to this seasoning, because the soy sauce contains a whole lot of salt in it already. Because if you add extra salt, you might not be able to eat this beef jerky. Believe me guys, so don't do it. So once I'm sure that it's combined enough, like very well, I went ahead and put that in a bowl. So I put it in a bowl, and you have to make sure that the bowl that you're putting it in has a lid, because you will need to cover this up. So I went ahead and covered that up. So I put it in my fridge for I put it overnight, and this is the next day. It's ready. So but if you don't have that time to put it overnight, you can just put it in your fridge for 30 minutes. I think you will still have the same result. So but I did it at night, so I just put it in my refrigerator. So the next day, this is what it's looking like. So all the seasoning has been well marinated. As you can see, they're looking so nice right now. So this is my dehydrator. So I'll go ahead and assemble everything on the dehydrator. So guys, I did not realize that I had my dehydrator upside down. So the rack, I was supposed to flip the rack over, but I did not realize that I did not flip it over. So I went ahead and assembled my beef jerky on the rack. I did first rack and the second one before I realized that it was on the wrong side. So I went ahead and flip it over and start all over again, and then I had it the right way this time. So it took me a while because I had it the wrong way, so I had to pay the price for that by doing it all over again. So guys, that's just the story for that. I almost knocked that over. So I went ahead and make sure that it's well snapped and covered properly. So I'll go ahead and plug that on, and there you go. So I'll let this be for so I wasn't sure how long it was gonna take, so I just let it be, and I didn't get to finish all of that. I didn't have enough room, but I will be using this for maybe something different, maybe fried steak, who knows. So after good 4 hours, yes, so like I told you guys, I wasn't sure how long it was gonna take. So but after 4 hours, it was completely dried. Yes, it was well dried and looking so nice and tastes amazing. Look at that, it was properly dried. Yes, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber to my channel, you're very welcome. If you're new on this channel, yes, this is your first time you're coming to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on and give this video a like. Yeah, so I went ahead and unplugged that. As you can see, most of them are well stacked together. So I went ahead and separate everything. So I'll proceed and make sure that every single one of them are well separated. I'll be right back. So after separating all and putting them all together, this is what they look like. Very crunchy, very tasteful, properly dried. So it's very easy to put this together, guys. There is no much work on this. The only time it will take you was just to cut the meat up, but if you have it already cut up, that's good. So it's very easy and yummy. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a good time watching this recipe, and I hope you'll give it a try, and I will see you guys on my next video. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye y'all. Bye.